Stewed pork belly with vermicelli is the essence of northeastern Chinese cuisine. The pork belly is full of flavor and instantly melts inside your mouth. And have you heard of the ancient legend about the dish?
Hello, I'm CiCi Lee. So follow me for the next 3 minutes and I'll show you my mom's secret recipe, pork belly with vermicelli. And I'll tell you more about the legend behind it.
This is a recipe that has been passing down for many generations in my family.
Today's recipe, remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and comment below and let me know what is your favorite pork belly recipe. For me, I think it gotta be this one, pork belly with vermicelli. But if I think about it, you know what? I also like don't pour roll. I also like so many other ones. So what is your favorite? Comment below and let me know. And I'll see you next time. Bye!